guys, this is Colton's channel right now.
Hey guys.
You took the picture. Here, let me hold it. For you.
Hi guys.
This is Colton. And Colton, what are we gonna do today? This is your channel, and
We're doing a medieval game with Lucy.
And Colton is going to be the one who's playing, not me, because I'm going to be holding his camera. So,
Yeah, and he's gonna post it because I don't know how to.
because I have 11 subscribers on.
I have 10.
No, you have 6.
Guys, can you just please like and subscribe so I can get to at least 20 million subscribers?
Like here, see, I'm gonna go into YouTube, and then here. Am I even subscribed? I'm not even subscribed to Colton.
Hey.
Just type in Colton Dean. Oh my gosh, you know how to spell. I do. Are you in your shit? Okay. Now type in Colton Dean. Oh my gosh. Try to, right here. Colton only has 5 subscribers, guys.
6.
Oh. For a second I thought, wait, did he even subscribe? Oh.
Guys, okay, guys. The only reason why I have these videos is because it's childhood memories, and this used to be on Mom's channel. She posted. This is when we were like in Tampa, but then I took it over because she said I could have it because she doesn't do anything, so I can't change it at all. So
he has to keep the videos, and I'm gonna say do it because look, this one he has
152, my mom's.
152 and what? Oh my gosh, Lucy!
She climbed up.
Here, what is? She bits us.
Hey guys, so if you're wondering why I'm at Dylan's house, like kind of late.
Make sure she's not going upstairs.
Yeah.
Let me show you guys, okay?
Lock them? Yeah.
As you can tell, this was our first video ever.
Hello, Colton.
First video ever, as you remember. For Colton and Dylan, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Okay. So, yep, that's where we watch TV. Play video games. Also. Oh, Mom. Yeah, Lucy is the star of the video.
She's the star of the video.
There she is. Yeah. Sorry, guys, I had to flip it. There's Lucy. Lucy. Oh, and there's Dylan upside down. Hey.
I gotta come down on that.
And so, yeah, that's the intro, and we're going to begin on the video. So, yeah.
Wait, Colton, do you have that editing app, CapCut?
No, but CapCut, please sponsor us.
Yo, it's zoomed into your face. It was like this. CapCut. No, look, it was like this. CapCut, please sponsor us, please. Please. It was like on your nose.
Please just sponsor us, please. I just want to give away money, to be honest. Because I want to do a bunch of giveaways for you guys.
Okay, so Battle Arena, Colton vs. Lucy, coming your way right now. Let's go, Colton. You want to get Lucy's attention first?
Lucy. No bone, no nothing. I put all this stuff up here. She doesn't get distracted.
You guys might be thinking, why is the camera?
Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. Challenge begins.
Tug of war.
No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Oh, there she goes.
Oh.
She's feisty.
Do you have any words to say, Lucy?
Oh.
That's great words right there. Colton, do you have any words to say? Okay. Do you have any words again? Oh.
I don't have any words. I am Lucy. Oh. She going crazy. She going crazy. Over here. Over here. Oh. And roll over. Roll over. Yeah. Roll back over. Roll back over again. Oh. Roll back over. Roll back over again. Stay that position.
There.
Roll back over. Roll back over. Oh, you're being spicy now.
This is why you guys should subscribe to Colton.
There's Lucy.
And
And
Colton.
Kona.
Oh yeah, Kona's outside. I believe in you. Love you, Lucy. What are you doing?
The dog. Oh. One hand. Ballerina.
Oh, that was cool. That's cool.
Oh, I won!
Oh, guys, you should subscribe to Lucy.
Yeah, we're gonna maybe make a Lucy channel.
Oh, that would be so fun.
Yeah.
It would be called Lucy.
Lucy
Coming to
Turns
you
on.
soon.
Coming soon when I hit 10 subscribers.
And then,
Oh.
wait, Colton, is it my turn to do it to Lucy now? Yes, it is, yo. Hey, it's my puppy. Here, take it. It's not yours.
Okay, ready?
Set, go. Sitting on someone's phone.
I'm so confident I'm gonna tie my leg. Oh, I just won.
I won, yay! But here's the winner.
No, you didn't. You cheated.
How did I cheat, Lucy?
Guys, you did.
How did I cheat? No.
I'm crazy. Let me go.
No.
Yes.
How did I spot my shoulder?
Hey, now I get to have boredness. Yeah, I can be lonely. Hey, give me that back. Where is it? Give me bitesies. Give me it. Look at that man. Look at that man.
Guys, guess what?
You guys want to see the farthest you could zoom? That. The closest you can zoom
Hey guys, guess what?
is that. Yeah.
Guess who hit a million? Oh, not a million. Guess who hit 11 subscribers?
Deliano.
Wait, today I got 10, but whoa.
Please subscribe and I will kiss.
Hey, wait.
Ah!
Let's see this.
Gosh, Lucy.
Wait. Here, let's see the comparison. Mr. Beast only has that much subscribers. That's not a lot. But then
Us, on the other hand.
got 27. What?
Look at that.
What the heck is it? Colton, can you help? Colton, can you help?
That's our channel.
Colton, can you help?
That's his. And look how many subscribers. What? We need to get that much right now. Yeah! Hey, okay. What, Lucy? You have anything to say? He's like, I want to get 2 subscribers too. You do?
Guys, if I get to 1 million subscribers, I'll change my channel name to Lucy.
I'll be Lucy, the star of the video.
Oh yeah, that would be the channel
No,
name.
there. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. Look. Oh, wait, put her face. Hey, I gotta go back away. Oh, you got frozen a little bit.
You can't say no to that thing.
Lucy! Hey! Oh, man.
Oh, yours, baby in the nose. How about this? I'll show you guys a cuter photo of Lucy.
Yeah. Oh, and,
See, look, Lucy.
Hey. Oh.
Colton, no, look at Lucy. So cute.
Yeah, look at that one.
Lucy.
It's a live action, though. That's gonna be the end of the video. So goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn post notifications on, please. Then I will comment. If the comments are on, then comment down below and I'll heart anything you guys say. Heart. Okay. Goodbye. Say that again.
Like and subscribe.